What if I told you that you can earn $1 repeatedly by doing this process? Or maybe you don't want since $1 is too little for you to earn. Well, imagine doing this method every day and earning at least $1 per minute. At the end of the day, you can earn as much as $100. We agree that $1 is too little, but if you do this method again and again for every single day, you might be surprised how much you have earned within just a week. Interested? Then you should watch this video. Despite the fact that the method we are about to demonstrate is absolutely free, you will like it because other than letting you earn $1 per task, it has numerous additional benefits. And if you stick around, you'll learn much more. This method is available worldwide, meaning anyone from any part of the world can do this. There are no prerequisites for doing this other than willingness to learn. It's a piece of cake to do and anyone can do it. The money that you will earn as a result of this method will not necessarily turn you into a billionaire. However, for a beginner, this is the most effective way to get started. You can also use this to supplement your income if you are just looking to make some extra cash. We'll walk you through today's entire process step by step because we always want to ensure that you will be successful with any method that we're going to give you. We can assure you that this video is your best option to make money. The process is straightforward to follow. However, this is only effective if you pay careful attention and closely follow along. To avoid being confused with today's video, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end. Also, be sure not to skip any parts in order to avoid missing any important details. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website that we will be using today is called Rapid Workers. Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. They help individuals, small businesses, and professionals create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, have a better ranking, backlinks, and so much more. If we look at the activity box right here, these are the types of jobs that you will be doing when you become a worker on this website. We can see that all you have to do are very simple tasks such as liking a YouTube video, sign up on a website, follow an account on Twitter, creating a Gmail account. These tasks are easy to do and don't need much of your time. These types of jobs are called microjobs. So what are microjobs? Microjobs are a type of temporary work that involves completing assignments or tasks for a fee per assignment. Microjobs provide several advantages, like the ability to work on a flexible schedule, select the work that you wish to do, and gain valuable skills and experience to add to your portfolio. However, microjobs only pay you a small amount once completed. $1, $2, $3, or $4. But if you do hundreds of microjobs per day, then those small payments will accumulate into something bigger. The best part is they only take a few minutes or even seconds to complete. So you can do hundreds or thousands of microjobs each day. So back to the website. They provide a bunch of services for both employers and workers. For employers, they can use this website to ask people to do jobs such as blog about their product, post reviews on their website and blogs, become a fan of their Facebook page, follow them on Twitter, and so much more. For workers, they can use this website to browse microjobs, select jobs that they like, finish selected tasks and submit proof, and importantly, earn money. The main payment method that they use on this website is PayPal. If you do not have a PayPal account, a direct bank transfer is available specifically for MasterCard and Visa. At Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, and workers are happy and compensated properly, so you don't need to worry. In the next part of this video, we will show you how to sign up to be a worker on Rapid Workers for free. So don't go anywhere and stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To sign up for an account on Rapid Workers, we just click on the Be Part of Rapid Workers Now button right here, and once you click it, you will be redirected to this page. Just fill out the form with this necessary information like your name, email address, password, and the country that you live in. If you look at the available countries to choose from, you can see that almost all countries are available here. So this is worldwide. Now before you finish signing up, make sure that you read the rules and regulations of this website to know what not to do when working in Rapid Workers. So the first rule is to avoid using VPN or other types of masking software. The second rule is to avoid making multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. The third rule is not to use the same IP with other accounts to do tasks. And the last rule is not to do jobs from countries that you are not from. We will explain this last rule further as we demonstrate how to actually complete jobs on this website. Make sure to read and understand the 4 rules on this website to make sure that you follow them. If you break at least one of those rules, then your account will be banned and you can try to make another account but you won't be able to do so. So, that makes you lose the opportunity to earn money on this website, so be very careful. Once you have filled out the form and read and understood the rules, you can now click on Create an Account button and you are now a worker at Rapid Worker. When you log into your account, you can now see the list of jobs that you can complete on this website. You can see the job name, target workers, and the payment they give you when you complete the task, the time needed to complete the task, and the status of the task. And the target workers column tells you who can do these tasks or types of jobs. They will specify the country of the workers who can do these jobs. So make sure that the jobs that you do are specifically for your country or you will be banned. If you remember rule number 4, which is not to do jobs that are not available from your country. If you do a job that is not specifically for your country, then you will be immediately banned. So be very careful. One tip that we can give you is to find jobs that have the target workers set to international. This means that any worker from any parts of the world can do this job. Do not worry, you can filter international jobs by clicking on the target worker option and select international. Now you can see tons of international jobs that everyone can do. Another tip that we can give you is maximize your earnings in a short amount of time. On the job name filter, put in the keyword YouTube and press enter. Now you can see a bunch of jobs related to YouTube. Just click on the filter most paying to sort the jobs to the most paying jobs. And now you can choose any job that you want to do. For example, we choose to do this job. Then the website will redirect us to this page. It will then show us the step-by-step process on what and how to do the job and the type of proof that you should submit to successfully complete the job. Now just follow the steps on how to complete the job and post your proof on the proof box right here. You can also post screenshots of your proof by using websites like IMGBB or PRNT. Just upload your screenshots on these websites and copy the link to your uploaded screenshot on the proof box right here. Once you have done all that, just click this button and your job is done. All you have to do is wait for your payment and do another job. This is very simple and easy to do. You can do this all day and earn tons of money. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.